Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel English for English by Pooja Singh. You just had your examination of English literature, that is English 30 code. So yes, I hope your examination, it must be very good. So as of now, I have talked to many people and they told me that their opinion is that the question was for paper 1 it was easy to moderate, and for paper 2 it was moderate to difficult. So those who had the revisions, it is awesome because there were so many chronological order questions were there. So let's discuss what was the question, because so many students have messaged me, texted me some of the questions, so I'll be telling you the questions. And then if you want me to make the detailed video or detailed analysis of this question, do let me know in the comment section. I'll be telling you that as of now I'll be telling you the questions which my students has texted me. Okay, so yes, if you will talk about the general analysis, there were factual questions and the conceptual questions also spanning British literature, Indian writing, literary theories, and modern criticism also. But what I felt, so many students told me that Indian literature was asked a lot. Like there were so many match of the following questions were there also. Then if we'll talk about memory-based question, epistle, epigraph, epigram, then epitaph, epilion, these all questions were asked, right? That there was a direct question distinguishing the term. If you are not knowing the terms, there is no use of marking the question. Then it was a question from Mary Shelley. I told you that Mary Shelley is UGC favorite. So I told you in my video also there was top 20 poets and poems. So there again question was asked that which work is not written by Mary Shelley, and it was which works? Lost Woman, Frankenstein, Faulkner, and The Last Man. So these are very important things. You should never miss Mary Shelley again for future examination. Then there was again a question of Much Ado About Nothing, that Shakespeare. So again, Shakespeare, you cannot miss William Shakespeare. He is the father of English literature. You should never miss him, and that's what exactly happened. People always take Shakespeare very lightly. You should not take him very lightly because he is the god. So yes, his so many works came for chronological order. Then Much Ado About Nothing, what is it? Pastoral comedy, tragic comedy. So what it is, tell me in the comment section. Then again question was yes, revenge tragedy. There were 4 options given about revenge tragedy, that is the Jew of Malta, then Spanish tragedy, Cymbeline, and Hamlet. You tell me which of these are not as revenge tragedy. The very easy, these questions are free marks. If you are a literature student, if you are knowing these all questions, these are the free marks of yours. Then there were several questions required arranging works in chronological order, testing one's Grimmton timeline. See, for chronological order, you must have a grasp on all the works and all the writers' work. If you are not, if you're not up to date or not learning the works and their writer's name according to date, and see, this is, if you are giving the examination one day before, it is not going to happen. It takes time. We say good things takes time. So yes, there were so many chronological questions. That what makes difference who clears the UGC net and JRF. So if you want to clear the JRF, you have to be acknowledged with all the works of all the writers and the works, right? Then there was it was asked, when was the Kantapura was written? So it's very easy. It was 1938. So this Kantapuram has always been UGC net favorite. Several times it has been. Ask me about the difficulty level of the question. So if I'm talking about only about these 10 to 20 questions, so it is more of factual. If you are good at remembering the dates and the order of the works, you are good to go. Nobody can stop you clearing JRF. but if you're not going deep into the factual details and grabbing mindlessly, it's not going to help you. Then if you'll talk about how you can go for next attempt, so here are the things which you should start doing is study key literary terms, genres, movements comprehensively. Then memorize publication dates, authors' bibliographies, and key contributions. Then focus on literary theories, critical essays for conceptual clarity. So if you are doing these, it is going to help you a lot. And if we'll talk about, my students were also telling me that this time comprehension was very easy. It was to the point. So again, 10 marks are free. Then again, the poem which was asked, and this time it was also to the too direct. So 20 marks. UGC NET is giving you 20 marks free. So please start reading. If you're reading anything, no, just try to read in English. If you're having a habit of reading anything, scrolling or watching YouTube videos, try reading or listening in English. That will enhance your brain, your unconscious mind, to train that, and that's how you become street smart. Okay, so that's it for today's video. I hope it might help for as of now, that whether you are discussing that when we give exam, no, there are so many questions arises in our mind, that what to do, what was the paper, is it difficult for me only, or everybody is feeling the same. So yes, if the tough questions are there, that tough questions, 10 to 20 questions are difficult for everyone, right? Those who have studied, it will be easy for guess or to eliminate the right answer, but more or less the difficulty level which I suggest was for paper 2 was moderate to difficult, because chronological order was so many questions are there. Then again, Indian writers were also there, and that Indian writers were there because we have not heard of the author or their works. And if we'll talk about comprehension, that was good to go, that was very easy. Poem, very easy. Then Shakespeare works, very easy, free marks. Then to the points, very easy, direct question, free marks. Then for paper 1, I would just only say that if you used your common sense, it was very easy. My student told me that yes, it was to the direct questions. So yes, for today it was till now it was this. So don't forget to like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more such updates. And all the best. So take care of yourself. Bye.